What's up, YouTube? It's Eric here from Dose of ET. I also got Tyler with me, bringing you another product review. This time we have the WavLink. It is a multiple port desktop charging station right here. So basically, the specs on this thing, it says it's travel, fast charging ability, it has power on, LED display. I have the USB 6 port 5 volt 12 amps one, so you can basically charge up anything that has USB at one end, and basically it'll charge up 6 devices at one time, or at least that's what it says. So we're gonna try it out here. So if I open up the box, first thing we get is the actual charging thing. It's not very big, as you guys can see. It has the ports right here at 2.4 amps for all of them. Then there's nothing on the side. Then on the back, you just have your wall outlet you plug in, then your on and off switch. Then a light indicator to tell you if it's on. Then it just has 60 watts, then the name. That's basically all that's on it. So we'll put that off to the side right now. Then the next thing we got inside the box is just your wall charger here, then directions there, but you don't really need any of that. So we undo this right here. We'll plug this in, plug that in, and we'll plug this thing right into the wall over here. We plug this right into the wall. So we got that plugged in, so you can see it's on because it shows a green light. So we'll charge up first my phone here. We'll plug this thing in. As you can see, it is charging up right now. It says 75% charging. Next thing we'll plug in is my Beats Studios here. As you can see, they're charging up by those lights right there. The next thing we'll plug in will be Tyler's phone. As you can see, it is charging up 90%. Then the next thing we'll plug in here will be the Apple Watch. So we plug this in right here. Show you guys that this is charging up. As you can see, it says 100%. It's charged up. It has a little indicator right there. So that's charging. Last thing we'll plug in here will be a PS4 controller. See if this thing will charge up. See, we got the light indicator. At least it popped on when I plugged it in. See if I can get it to pop up. See, there it is. Light indicator popped on. So that is charging. So right now I have 5 devices charging on this thing right now. They're all charging up. See, you'll go back to my phone, still charging. Beats, still charging. Tyler's phone is still charging. So basically what this thing's supposed to do, as you add more stuff, the amps do go down. It's supposed to go down, I think, a little bit as more gets plugged in, because it can't support all of them, and if you do the math, it doesn't add up exactly, so you'll lose a little bit every time if you keep plugging stuff in. So as you can see, this thing will work. You can plug in another one. If I had another device here, which I don't have another one with me on me, this is just what I had around me. So if I plugged another one in, obviously that'll charge because it's doing 5 right now, so it should easily do 6. So there you go, guys. Thanks for watching. there's not really much more I can say. But Todd, do you have any last minute comments before we end this video here?
No, I like it a lot though. I think it's good for the people that have like a lot of things that they need to charge up, or a lot of things they wear or bring out with them when they go somewhere that they want to charge up before they leave. Like multiple things at once. The only thing is, like, it probably takes a while if you have a lot of them, like say 4 or 5 or 6 even, uh, charging at once. It probably takes a while for them to charge up, but I mean it is good for charging multiple things at once. So yeah, I think I'd recommend it to anybody that's like that and that needs it. That wears a bunch of those things, like say the iWatch, or not the iWatch, but the Apple Watch, the iPhone, headphones like the Beats, and then stuff like that. Yeah.
Well, guys, there you go. There's our opinions on this thing. Go check it out on Amazon if you figure out you want to buy this, or you can check out other stuff like this on Amazon. But I definitely recommend this. It's small. It's definitely easily portable if you're the type of person that goes on business trips or has a lot of products and you need to bring this to charge up multiple devices and stuff like that. So definitely recommend go checking it out on Amazon. It's like 26 bucks, I think, 25 bucks, something like that. So not too expensive, doesn't break the bank, and I think it might be worth it. So go and check it out. Thanks for watching, guys. Peace.